If you struggle drawing the structure of eyes, this video is for you. Today I'm breaking down 2 methods of drawing eyes, followed by 4-step quick revision for each. Let's get right into method 1, Geometrical Frame method. We are starting with a tilted rectangle, or you can say a parallelogram. Rounding the sharp corners creates our eyelids. To make the eyes look truly 3D instead of flat, don't forget to add the waterline, soft eye bag, and double eyelid. Cover the top quarter of the iris, unless you want your eyes to look shocked or panicked. Map the eyebrows and fill them following their natural hair flow. Once you erase the guidelines, add the eyelashes. Eyelashes are never straight like sunbeam. Keep them curved and grouped together. Lastly, add some soft shading. Shading is an important part in every kind of sketch. I've kept the shading light here, so let me know in the comments if you like a separate shading tutorial. Now, let's do a quick 4-step recap. Draw a tilted rectangle. Round the corners for the eyelids. Don't forget to add the waterline and double eyelid. Keep the top quarter of the iris covered. Now comes the turn of the eyelashes. Not like sunbeam, keep them curved and grouped. For its direction, you can think of them coming out radially from the center of the eyes. Finish it with soft shading. Now, let's move on to the next variation of this method, which is the oval. Start by sketching a smooth oval. Trace your upper and lower eyelids along its curve. Just like before, add the waterline, double eyelid, eye bag, and tuck the top quarter of the iris under the upper lid. Map your eyebrows and fill them following their natural hair flow. Next, add those curved and grouped eyelashes. Erase those guidelines and do the shading. Here's the quick 4-step recap. Draw your base oval. Curve the eyelids along the oval. Add the waterline and double eyelid. Add the covered iris. Make the eyebrows. And add grouped eyelashes. Now for the most widely used technique, Anatomical Sphere method. Start with a circle with horizontal and vertical line coming straight through the center. Place your iris right at the intersection point. Place your upper and lower eyelids around the sphere, keeping the iris quarter covered. Add your double eyelid, eye bag, your eyebrows, and the grouped eyelashes. Next, erase those guidelines and do the shading. The best part about this method is that it makes drawing eyes from different angles super easy, which I'll be making a full tutorial on very soon. Here's our 4-step recap. Draw a circle with horizontal and vertical center lines. Place the iris right at the intersection point. Sketch the eyelids. Add the waterline and double eyelid. Make the curved, grouped eyelashes. Next is finishing it with shading, and you're done. I hope this was helpful for your practice, and since this was my very first voiceover on Swan strokes, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let me know which technique you have tried first. Stay tuned for more such videos and see you in the next one.